Hey there, I have for you a fast and furious workout. Listen, this is really short, but you're gonna be surprised at how effective it is. We're gonna be doing something called a superset, which just simply means 2 exercises back to back, but they both work different parts of the body, so we don't need rest, and that is how we can save massive amounts of time. You do need a pair of dumbbells for this workout. Whatever you have, I highly recommend at least probably 12 to 15 pound dumbbells. But go ahead and grab whatever you have and come on back and let's do this. All right, so here we go. You have your dumbbells. Just ignore mine. I know they're very small. I would normally probably use 15 to 20 pounds for this. But this is what I have here. So here we go. You're gonna alter the amount of reps you do according to how many weights, how much your weight is, okay? So here's gonna be our 2 exercises. We're gonna start with a squat into a overhead press. So dumbbells are here. I'm gonna squat, and when I squat, I'm sitting back, okay? As I stand, it's like I'm releasing a rubber band. My arms go up overhead, okay? So it's gonna look like this at the speed. All right, now listen, 2 modifications here. If you have shoulder issues, I want you to just hold here. I want you to pack your shoulders in the socket, and you're merely gonna come down and stand up quickly, okay? Option number 2, if your weights get to the point where you feel like you can still squat, but the overhead is getting to be too much, do as many as you can with the overhead, and then just start to simply squat. Make sense? Okay, so we're gonna do this together, and we're gonna do 12. If it's really easy for you, then when you do this on your own, I want you to do 15 or 20. And if it's too hard, cut it back to like 8 to 10. Got it? All right, let's rock out 12 of these together, and then we're gonna move on to our second exercise. Here we go. Inhale down, exhale up. And again, explode as you stand. If you start getting too tired for the overhead press, just leave that part out, just stand up. Or if you have shoulder issues. Let's go 2 more. Great job. Okay, you got that one down. Second exercise of our superset. We're gonna do a deadlift with a row. So, with the deadlift, very important on the form, you're gonna take your butt back like you're trying to touch a wall behind you. Notice how my knees are barely bent, okay? It's not a squat, it's all about the hips. Before we add the row, let's get the deadlift down. Now stand up. So take it back and stand up. All right, this is all hip hinging. Butt goes back. See that arch in my low back? Chest is forward. Now this is what it's gonna look like with the row. We're gonna come forward. We're gonna row. And then we're gonna stand up, okay? Same deal, let's do 12 times. You adjust either either more or less, depending on your weights, okay? Let's go for 12, come with me. When you row, I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades together and down, okay? Squeeze your shoulder blades together and down. Your shoulders should not be up by your ears when you do that row. Okay, good job. So let's talk about how many times you're gonna do that. So again, start with 12 reps. If that seems too hard, then go down to 8 to 10. But remember, the last couple reps should be very difficult to get through, okay? If it's too easy, pump it up to 15 or 20. And I want you to do 3 to 5 rounds of those 2 exercises. Only rest if you absolutely have to. Try to take no rest. It's not gonna take you long, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be a huge metabolic REVer, okay? Yeah! Woo! Okay, thank you for doing that with me, and I will see you next time.